Here we are. That's a 20 lakh statue. Lush green campus. These are our hostels. This is Mr. Akshat Mathur, Major Stud, Arjun Ramdas. The people who are cribbing about 3 job losses so far. The fittest man on campus, Mr. Gotia.
तू मेरे को ये दे, तू मेरे को ये दे, मैं सेक्सी जूम करके मैं तेरे को
There is my hostel. इधर की साइड पर. This is the sexiest man on campus.
चल चल चलेगा.
Gao. This is our Gurudev, topper of H4. This is Gudnu darling. Marishi, CEO. This is my wing. This is the other wing. Rob, Bali. Now let's go to some of the rooms. The first room is Gold King's room. The second room, our Gurudev's room. And then it's my room. Now we're going. That's what my room looks like. That's the most important thing in my room right now. The heater. Now let's go to my neighbor's room. This is the Raghu Gatting's room. Raghu! Raghu! Dore Rube! There is Raghu Gatting. Good morning.
Good morning.
12:30 hotum anukunta. He's checking the time, asshole. Gatting's room is also Aishwarya Rai's museum, you can say. Look at all these posters. And the best of them all, on the roof. That is Gatting. We'll go to the next room. Gundo's room, the most chaotic room on campus. If you are looking for a big opportunity, he got a big problem. And Gundo's room is in fact probably one of the biggest problems. Look at all this. Look at all this. The most chaotic. One of the rare sights on campus. Gundo taking. Let's meet the Gold King now. Leve. Sigmund. Huh? Leve. Another fan of Aishwarya Rai.
Find it. Get some flour here. Well, apple now. I don't know the
and this is our dear Gold King. Hey Miro, night out only? నాలుగున్నర పడుకున్నా చాలా తొందరగా పడుకున్నా బర్త్డే यार राठी ये क्या है क्राउन है क्या celebration. Come on. Dulak Kabila style. Okay, Ramo. Happy birthday to you. Makeup नहीं. मैंडी अपने हाथों से खिलाया मैंडी ओए अभी ये मैंडी खिलाएगा शादी हो रही है क्या आ जाओ गुलाम लगा चीज Ramu, say cheese again. All these weird hate rituals here.
हस्बैंड अंचल अब मेरे को मारना है।
एरिक भाई का बर्थडे है आज।
अबे आपसे देख के
बस ओके आ रहा है हाँ हो गया यार हो गया बस two more important numbers smooth operator and of course Dura stand style से आता है morning Gatem was not quite visible actually visible how it looks people say he resembles Sagar
एक्सपोज that's all identity card
typical gold gang meeting is going on
boss ఉంది
Sigmar giving Fundays when he doesn't know about it at all. It took 24 years of effort to come to this stage.
Kind of giving the pride at the great honor. And whose head shines like the moon. My compromise is Ravera. I am the bull among men.
Ramu, the official photographer. Larry Patola. She's getting married on April 11th. You can see the smile on her face. Typical good
ఎవరికి ఇచ్చాడు
అయిపోయిందా
already ఎవరికో ఇచ్చాడు ఎవరికి ఇచ్చారంటే ఎవరికో ఇచ్చాడు
ఎవరికో ఇచ్చాడు వచ్చాడు రేపు నీ బట్టిన చేస్తాను వాడికి ఏం కాదు
హార్డ్ డ్రైవ్ మీద ఏమో లోడ్ చేసి ఉంచారు కదా ఇంకేం
కెమెరా మీద ఉన్నారని మాట్లాడుతున్నారు కాబట్టి
ఎవరు హగ్గింగ్ ద లైవ్ లైట్
రఘు సీడీ ఎదుకోవడానికి కారణం ఇగో అయితే ముక్కెందుకు మూసుకోవాలంటే
కేక్ మాత్రమే కాదండి మామూలుగా కూడా ఎప్పుడు ఇట్లా బాత్రూమ్ లోకి వెళ్తే అసలు అంతే బయటికి కూడా రాడండి Sridhar God. Here comes another stud, Vivek Jain. Nice. Priya. Looking good. Scatty, tallest guy on campus.
But I see the labor productivity, I think that it's a very, very dismal picture. China has been ranked as 15 and India has been ranked as 56. And I was trying to compare the labor productivity in the manufacturing sector, and I would like to keep in the reference point of America. On an average, an American worker adds to the value to American workers add $37,500, whereas Indian workers add $750. Let me tell you,
This is our commander.
not relax, because I'm not
Third boy.
that fighting would be bringing a very significant kind of result in our favor. Because if you want to be in the global league, I think that the economy structure will have to be different.
Raghu stud is getting ready. New suit.
And actually got the learning material.
Oh my god.
True, but it's not me. ఎప్పుడు నేను ఇవి ఉన్నప్పుడే వస్తా టవల్తో
టవలా ఏది టవల్ ఏది
ఎందుకు
టవల్ ఏది స్మూదీ
బాపు గారు వాడిని ఇలా పట్టుకున్నాడు వాడు ఇలా ఇలా పట్టుకున్నాడు బాపు ఇలా పైకి
Saido slowly smiling. There comes a full smile. And now Saido is suit.
టైర్ వాళ్ళందరూ వాళ్ళు బిస్ఫోర్ పట్టినడానికి వెళ్తున్నారు చూడండి ఎట్లా అవుతున్నాడు
అన్ని ఆంటీకేనా
కన్సూమ్ చేస్తున్నావు బాగున్నాడు కదా ఆంటీ
This way you come to go to that's our classroom block, and this is the faculty block, and those are the concrete lawns, and that's our side. And just behind the classroom block we have the library, and that's where the proceedings are going on. Prashant Gupta and Gurudev are going to the BIS forum. Hello Prashi! Hello! Akhila is there. Liaison, huh? Liaison. For? Okay. Okay.
Who? Which
This
company?
is our
Oh,
This is our faculty block, control tent. This is the new administrative block.
global mindset.
Harsha, QM, God.
OSHR God.
Girish Bendigiri. Shaggy. And Malla. This is Canon. This is the block which houses the library and the CC. And that's the entrance for library, and the entrance for CC is in the Bansal fat wire stud. Naveen Khanna. Ravi. Yesterday he saved me.
Yesterday I showed you.
Yeah.
Thanks for remembering that.
Viru. This is our computer center. A decent thing, I guess. And Thakur. He's called Model. I don't know why. Fight Mara Vivek. Total. Smoothie. You have all sorts of notices written over here. CV submission, that's the hot thing now. Ashish. Ashish. Another alumni committee member. France returned. Another part of our lab. Vishal call. Recording stuff here. That's the most important thing in the lab, printer. Now we are going into our library. This is our library. One of the most beautiful libraries in the world, maybe. Definitely in India, I think this is the best library one can find. A well-stocked, wonderfully designed library. Arvind Mansal Maggu. Absolutely beautiful place. This is the section I often visited. Marketing and novels. One of the most handsome guys on campus. This is the first floor, by the way. First floor. These are cubicles for Janata to sit and read. Okay, let's look at the view downstairs. Ooh, amazing air. That's where we came from. No, I'm sorry, that's not the entrance. It's right below me. Another view from the first floor. Actually, that's the entrance.